quite long. Thanks.
Hello, this is Ken Block. You are about to watch a full onboard of a beautiful, absolutely beautiful stage of the Southern Ohio Forest Rally, which is the 4th rally in the American Rally Association Championship. So this is the 3rd race of the year for Alex Gelsomino and I. First race was in the Skoda at 100 Acre Wood. We raced to 2nd place. The 2nd race was my first race in the Subaru WRX STI, once again 2nd place. So this race is only my 2nd time racing an STI in a very long time. So we raced this event last year. It was the first event back in the championship in the middle of the pandemic. It was wildly different, no spectators, all run at night, and Alex and I ended up 2nd overall. But that was mainly because there was a bunch of leaderboard changes on the final stage where the leader Barry McKenna and Brandon Semenek both hit a rock in the last stage. But it was a lot of fun racing in the Kazi in that event. Good news for this event though, compared to last year, is this is the first event of this championship back to racing with spectators. So full park expose, full autograph signings. Feels like the world's starting to feel a little bit normal again. So day 1 of this event started with a super special stage, which is a small stage through a park in the middle of downtown. And it was very cool, very short, but it ended with a big jump. To make. I've partnered with Amaze again to do another awesome giveaway. So last time you might have seen the Ford GT that I offered you a chance to win. Congrats to Nate from California that actually won that. This time we're giving you a chance to win an Audi e-tron Sportback and 20 grand. Taxes and shipping are included for US winners, and every donation goes to support the work of Reverb. The new Audi e-tron Sportback is rad. Dual motors, over 400 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds. It's got a range of about 218 miles. And of course, that Quattro all-wheel drive. So for your chance to win this Audi e-tron Sportback and 20 grand in cash, so go to amaze.com/KenBlock and donate. Good luck.
Stop. I totally had like a wind space. It sucks, we could have gotten flat out over that. This car handled it well.
I was quickest with the stage, so started off the event leading the event. So stage 2, fun stage, quick bit on the tarmac in the beginning. It had been raining, I was going quick. I actually had the fastest for split time, but 3/4 of the way through the stage, took a corner too aggressive because my note should have had a tightening in it and it didn't. So I started to accelerate out of the corner, went wide, which should have been fine, but I clipped a little stump on the exit and broke my suspension.
Right quite long. Thanks. Oh no. No, come on, try. Come on.
So the team worked to get the car back together that night. It was just broken suspension that had to be fixed, no body damage. And we were able to compete the full next day, day 2, but with a 17-minute penalty because of Super Rally rules. Since I was starting day 2 in 64th place, we decided to make day 2 all about testing different setups, since I have so little time in this race car. And by stage 13, I was finally really happy with a particular setup. So we were able to put down the quickest overall time for this particular stage. So here it is, helmet cam footage, special stage 13, Diagon Alley, 7.5 miles through the beautiful Ohio forest. Enjoy.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 70 small crest 150. Right 3 minus. Open into left 2 minus cut. Into right 4 plus 50. Right 1. 30. Left 4 minus long, 70, right 3 cut, very long, 30. Left 1, long. Into short right 5, 30. Left 3 plus don't, long. Caution, short right 4, tightens 2 plus deep. 2 plus knee. And short right 4 plus, into left 4 plus cut, into right 5, tightens 4 minus hook, 30, right 4 plus long, 30, left 4 minus cut, into right 4 plus hook in, into left 4 plus cut, opens, into crest, into right 5 minus long, opens don't, into left 6 plus, opens, tightens. Tightens 4 and right 3 plus late. Kicks 100, left 3 plus, into right 3 plus don't, tightens little in, to left 4 plus cut, 50, left 6 long, open, tightens 4 minus, long, 4 minus long, open 30, right 2 minus, long, 30. Right 5 minus over small crest, tightens little, 70, left 2, big cut, over crest, in, sleepy maybe, huh? Into left 5, caution, 30, right 4 plus, don't in, into left 4, tightens long, 4 tightens long, open, 100, big crest, into right 5 plus, right 5 plus, into crest, into right 4 plus, 30, right 4 plus, open, tightens 4, hook, danger, 30 left 2, and right 4 long, 20, left 2, hook, into right 5 minus, open, tightens hook, 50, left 4 plus, cut, into right 5 plus, open, tightens after crest, 120, crest into right 4 minus, hook, opens long, into small crest, 10, left 4 minus, cut, opens long, tightens little, and right 4 plus, small cut, opens over crest, 50, right 4 minus late, opens over crest, 50, left 3 plus, 30, long crest, into left 6 long, tightens little, 70, left 5 plus, opens long, into long crest, 30, left 6, 20, right 4 plus, extra long, open, tightens 5 minus over crest, open, 50 care, left 4 plus over crest, very long, tightens, care, 4 plus over crest, very long, tightens, 150, right 6 long, tightens 4 plus, opens long, 30, left 4 minus, sorry, 30, turn left 4 plus, cut over crest, care, narrow, 70, left 5 plus, opens over crest, into left 6, very long, tightens 5 long, tightens 4 plus, and caution, right 6 long, opens, tightens 5 minus in, over small jump, in over small jump, caution, 30, left 4 plus, loose, 50, right 3 plus, loose, 3 plus, 50, left over long crest, into right 6 in, and left 5 long, 50, right 3 plus, over crest, 50, 3 plus over crest, loose, opens long, tightens little, 30, left 4 plus long, over crest, tightens 3 plus, hook, over crest, tightens 3 plus, hook, 50, right 2 plus, hook, into left 3 plus, and right 5 plus, opens long, tightens 4 plus, cut, loose, long, 4 plus, cut, loose, long, 50, left 5 minus hook, opens extra long, tightens 5 over crest, 70, caution, narrow right 4 minus hook over crest, caution, 4 minus hook over crest, into left 5 long, tightens 4, 70, left 3 plus, late, repeat 70, left 3 plus, late, into right 5 minus over crest, open, long, very long, into left 5 minus, into long crest, 10, right 4 plus, late, very long, 10, caution 30, left 2, long, 30, right 4 plus, extra long, tightens little, 10, left 1, 70, left 6, into right 5, 70, left 6 over crest, into right 6, entry 150, caution, brake, small crest 100, right 1 plus, and go, left 5 plus, kicks 250, right 6 plus, 120, left 5 plus, don't, 150, right 5 plus, 50, left 5 minus, repeat 5 minus, 70, right 5 minus, lose, 5 minus, lose, 100, right 5 plus, don't lose, 100, tarmac starts, right 4 plus, 70, care, left 5 plus over jump 100, finish, 50, left 6, 50, left 4 minus, 9, 1 second fast, oh. Don't trigger.